So we want to do 11.6, number 6, which says I have 7 to the 2w minus 1 equals square root of 7. What approach do you guys want to use on this?
Same base.
What's that?
Same base.
Same base?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me how you can make these 7s to powers.
You can take out the square and put it as 7.
Okay, so we might think about the right-hand side as 7 to the 1/2 power. And on the left-hand side, we've already got 7 to a power. Right, 7 to the 2w minus 1. Now what do you know?
And you just always do it.
Okay, the powers have to be the same, so 2w minus 1 has to equal 1/2. What was your thought process there? Like if I was gonna,
Log base 7.
yeah, you'd log base 7 both sides to get the powers down? It really didn't need to be a log base 7, it really could have been a log base whatever.
I don't get that.
Yeah, probably not. We'll talk about it in a second. Let's get a number and then we'll go check and make sure it's the same number. How do I finish this off? Add 1 to both sides. So I've got 2w is 3/2. And then divide by 2. So you get w is, oh, divide by 2 maybe isn't the right thought there.
Multiply by 1/2.
Yeah, I might think instead multiply by 1/2.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get 3 quarters. Okay. You want to try the other way?
Yeah.
So the other way, no. So the other way would be, hell, I don't know. I'm just going to log both sides with whatever base logarithm comes to hand. So
Log base 3.
log base 3. Okay, sure. So if you log base whatever both sides, you're going to get log base 3 of 7 to the 2w minus 1 is log base 3 of 7 to the 1/2. Yeah, I use the log rule about pulling exponents down, right? So I'm going to take this exponent down front and this exponent down front. Right, that's log rule to both sides. I'm going to get 2w minus 1. Oh. Do I need parentheses on that?
Probably for this.
Probably, right? I need to multiply that whole thing by log base 3 of 7. So I've got 2w minus 1 times log base 3 of 7 is 1/2 log base 3 of 7. Now what do you notice?
Log base 7.
Yeah, there's a log base 3 of 7 on both sides, right? So I can divide this whole thing by log base 3 of 7,
Yeah.
right? And now I'll have 2w minus 1 is 1/2. Does that look familiar? Yeah. Yeah, it literally doesn't matter at all, except that you probably shouldn't do log base 1 or log base 0. Because those are fundamentally confusing. But, yeah. Log base basically anything reasonable will work. I personally would have picked a natural log or a log base 10 because I have buttons for that on my calculator, so they kind of come naturally to mind. But whatever. Cool. Other things? All right.